The LED Work Light 10W is an excellent investment for anyone in need of a dependable lighting solution. The combination of portability, flexible mounting options, and dual functionality as a power bank makes it a standout product in its category. Whether for professional use in construction, automotive work, or weekend projects at home, this work light proves to be an indispensable companion. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, the LED Work Light is waterproof, allowing for reliable performance in adverse weather conditions. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle the bumps and bruises often associated with job sites. The COB chip on board technology enhances the brightness and quality of the light emitted, ensuring that your work area is well lit with minimal shadow. Additionally, the USB-C rechargeable capability means that you can recharge the battery efficiently, reducing downtime during critical tasks. The ability to function as a power bank to charge other devices is a significant bonus, especially in remote or outdoor settings where power sources are limited.